I regret studying computer science. Okay, not fully regret, sure, but if I'm being honest, there are so many mistakes I made that nobody warned me about. And the crazy part is, so many computer science students are still making that mistakes right now. So, if you're a computer science student or you're planning to study computer science, this video might save you years of frustration. Hi guys, my name is Deborah and I talk about computer science, everything tech related and real experience with no sugarcoating. Today we're talking about mistakes most computer science students make. Mistake number one is thinking school will teach you everything. That's a big mistake right there. Now let's start with the biggest lie. A lot of Nigeria students think that once they're in the university studying computer science, every single thing they need to succeed in life will be taught in class. And you know that is a big lie. That is never going to happen at all. Now, let me tell you, you attend lectures, you write exams, you pass those courses, but the truth is, you will still be behind. You will learn some theories, algorithm, data structures, and even some programming languages. But the truth is, nobody is actually telling you how to survive in the tech industry until you graduate and then you realize that you actually did not learn anything at all. Mistake number two, chasing too many things at once. This one is actually very common and it's one of the mistakes I made while I was still in school. Today you're learning web development, tomorrow UI UX, next tomorrow is cybersecurity. Before you know it, you have touched everything, but you have not mastered anything. Feels productive for you, but it's actually confusion. You are just jumping around, but you're actually not growing. I made that mistake, and I do not want you to make that same mistake. So, what you actually need is focus. Pick a part and stick to it, and you watch everything play out very fine. Mistake number two, watching tutorials without practicing. Yes, I also made this mistake while I was in school. So, for some of us, or some of you that are actually interested in learning these skills outside school, outside your four walls of class, you find yourself going on YouTube to watch tutorials like coding tutorials or design tutorials. You find yourself in tutorial hell, watching videos over and over and over and again, but you don't practice. You don't sit down, you don't sit yourself down and carry your laptop to practice. You just keep watching tutorials and in your head, oh, you're learning something. No, my dear, you're not. You are in a tutorial hell because you think that, oh, you're building, you have mastered everything, you've known how to code. But if you do not pick up your laptop, open it, and actually practice, you will never learn. Real learning starts when you close that video and try to build something on your own. That is where real growth is. So if you're in that situation right now, I want you to stop doing that and pick up your laptop and try something this minute. Mistake number four, not building project early. Yes, most students actually make this mistake, but I did not make it. No, I did not. Because when I was in school, I was trying everything. Yes, I was trying every single thing. Well, so for most students, they tend to wait till their final year before they can do a very big project. But that's a very big mistake. You don't have to wait till you're almost done with school before you decide to work on a project. So yeah, you don't have to wait till you're almost done with school or till you're a graduate before you start building this project. No, you have to start building this project. It builds up your experience. So if you're making that mistake, I want you to stop right there and think of something to build. It doesn't need to have to be something big. It can be something like a basic landing page, a login page, a sign up page, or something simple. A mobile app, something simple. Doesn't have to be big. Mistake number five, comparing yourself to everyone. This one right here would destroy your confidence if you are not careful about it. You go online and you see people your age doing things you cannot do, building apps, building websites, and you start comparing yourself to them. Before you know, you start destroying your confidence and you start feeling behind. Well, I'm here to tell you that everyone is on their own journey. You shouldn't compare yourself to other people. If you are doing that, you are hurting yourself. What you should be doing is focus on yourself, focus on your own journey. You don't have to compare. Mistake number six, ignoring soft skills. This one, I made it too. Yes, a lot of computer science students out there think that, oh, it's all about coding, design, those normal hard skills. But no, my dear, it's not. Communication matters too. Problem solving skills matters too. Let me tell you, you might know how to code and design the app, develop app and websites, but when you cannot explain what you have done, nobody's going to listen to you. You might be very skilled, very talented, but if you cannot explain what you do, or if you cannot work with people, you will struggle. Yes, you need to learn soft skills. So yes, if you are not currently actively putting effort to learn these soft skills, you need to start doing it now because they are very important as much as those hard skills are. So don't do not neglect any of them. Thank you. Mistake number 7, not building online presence. Yes, this one, I know a lot of people that are on this number 7. Fortunately for me, I am not on it. I have always known that yes, you have to be. The world is moving digital. You have to be. And for those of you studying computer science, I do not know why you are studying computer science and you are still not online. Like, come on, you are studying a digital course and you are not digital. Make it make sense. You are studying computer science, you don't have a LinkedIn account. You don't even know what LinkedIn is. You don't know. Come on, do better. Or you are learning how to code, you don't know what GitHub is. Oh my god, you don't have a portfolio. Let me tell you, you're wasting your time. Yes. You cannot be studying computer science while you don't even know what is trending. Doesn't make sense. So even when you have the best skills, the best talent, nobody knows you. Nobody knows you can do it. I don't know you. I don't know if you can do those things. I cannot see the evidence that you can do them. So that's when even when you graduate, you are jobless because nobody knows the skills you have. That is why you have to build an online presence for yourself. I cannot overemphasize this enough. Please build an online presence for yourself. It is good. In today's world, it's not about what you know, it's about who can see what you know. Yes, that's why you have to post what you do. Document your journey, share it to the world, let them see it, push it. We don't know where to get to, and somebody will just reach out to you. So my dear, post that thing, post that work, post that video, post that app, post that website. Let them see it. So if I could go back in time, I would not change my course, but I would definitely try my best to avoid these mistakes. And I want you to avoid them now. Let me tell you, the difference between those who succeed and those who do not is awareness. So if you are watching this video now, you are already ahead of them. If you actually enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. And I want you to tell me in the comment section the mistakes you are currently making now. Let's talk about it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.